Okay, guys and gals, welcome to another episode of MRC Motorcycle Rides in California, and I'm going to do a review on my FodSports BT-S2 Pro. And you know what? This is what I've been rocking for close to well over 8 months. And I'm doing my review of it today for you guys. Why? Because systems like these are basically what a lot of people try to figure out what they want to use. What type of Bluetooth helmet intercom is best for you. So guys, that's what this review is all about. And I wanted just to show you it and start it off. So here we go. Okay everyone, so the BT-S2 Pro is what I purchased, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in the link, but also I'm going to put a picture of how much I spent on it. Yep, that's how much this Bluetooth intercom went for. Now, most people would say, is it worth anything? Well, let's go ahead and do a review. We're gonna go ahead and do my top, pretty much 3 things why this intercom Bluetooth for your helmet is pretty much one of the best things you should get if you're looking for something inexpensive and something that will just do what you want when it comes down to some of the basic things why you even would want to get a Bluetooth for your helmet. Okay guys, now the reason why, again, I'm going to go ahead and recommend this Bluetooth system is quite simple. It's very inexpensive, it plays music, it answers your telephone, and technically you can connect to another BT-S2 Pro. Now, I'm going to tell you right off the bat, the sound quality is my #1 thing that I'm going to rank out of a 5. It's a 3. It doesn't have a lot of bass. That's one of the problems with this one in particular. Now when I bought it, I bought not just the system, but the whole thing. So it comes with 2 speakers, and it comes with a little hard mic or loose mic, and then you just connect and go. So right off the bat, the #1 hit I'm gonna hit is it doesn't play music that loud. To be quite honest, having it being super loud from this in your music, I personally don't think it's the best thing in the world, because I do believe in being safe than stupid. And you know, when you're on these bikes, mine in particular is quite loud, that's why you have a hard time hearing my voice a lot of times, is you don't want to be absolutely deafening, because then you can't hear what's around you. Music isn't that loud, but I can still hear it on the freeway when I'm going 80 or plus, and even on a windy day, music plays loud. So it's not that bad, but it's not the bass. The bass is missing. So another thing I'm going to tell you is the phone, when you connect to your phone, now that is nice. And that's kind of what I think everybody kind of wants. You kind of want to be able to connect and hear a crystal clear phone call.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Phone calls, perfect. Now, I got it with a hard line. Check out that video really quick. When you get a phone call on this type of system, I'm telling you right now, it is actually very good. So I'm gonna say a 5, maybe 4 plus. It takes phone calls really good. So Bluetooth, nice. BT-S2 Pro is right off the bat, I already covered. It really has a kind of basic setup when it comes to playing music, but I didn't really dive into it. It's really easy to connect to music in general. It's easy to use the knobs and easy to do all that. It's just not that loud. But when it comes down to taking a phone call, dude, crystal clear. And what's great about this system, when you get a phone call,
Hello? Hello?
it automatically will connect within the second ring, so which I thought is actually kind of cool. So when you're sitting there and you're just having a good old time and you're just like, you know, boom, you get a phone call.
Hello?
You don't have to worry about hitting any buttons on your sides or anything like that. It will automatically connect to it. Now, obviously, if you get a telemarketer, that's not fun. But in general, it's very easy. And then when you want to hang up, it's a simple hang up. It's a simple button. Now, I'm not going to go into the how to use this Bluetooth. I personally think that that's stupid. You know, if you want to get it, and then you're going to see the reviews and you're going to do whatever it says. But it's super simple to turn on. It's super simple to use. It's super easy to play music and connect. So in general, guys, it's not that difficult. Let's just say that. I keep telling you that, but I'm going to be honest. It's very simple. And for the price, you can't beat the price, especially if you just want to get a basic setup, basic system. That's all you need. Boom, you're done. The third thing, or the fourth thing I'm going to cover is the package, the box, whatever it comes in. It actually is very easy to unwrap and undo, and how to put it and install and all that stuff. It actually came with two-sided tape that can stick right to your helmet. Really easy, like no problems, done. So when you were like thinking about having to use screws and stuff, it even comes with that as well. So if you have a helmet set up that you could mount it to the whatever, the bottom lip or whatever, it has that option too. I personally just stick it on the side of it with Velcro. I love it, man. I've had no problems with it whatsoever. So easy install, easy instructions, comes like in 20,000 languages. So here we go. Real quick, let's just I love this bike. I just wanted to kind of highlight, guys, again, why I really do recommend this Bluetooth system for your motorcycle helmet. Now, again, I've been rocking this for about 8 months. I've had very little to no problems with this Bluetooth system. And I've already stated the certain things, what I don't like about it and what I do. So, you know, again, for me, it's all about being cost effective. A Cardo or a Senna, you're going to be dropping some money when it comes down to it. I really hope that you enjoyed, and again, I'm sorry for the wind. I wanted to get this video out before it started to rain. The forecast is supposed to be coming down pretty good, and of course in California you think of not rain, but it actually does happen here. So just forewarning, I don't film when it rains. I don't like being on my bike when it rains. Hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you really enjoy this. I'm not sponsored by these guys whatsoever. I just figured, you know what, might as well do a review on something that actually I've enjoyed. I've had no problems with at all. You know, I've enjoyed using their products. So, and because I'm a nobody, might as well have fun and produce it and show what I like about it. And you know, I've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed it. But I have bigger things coming in the future, guys. I got a new helmet coming, and with that, its own system. So of course I'll do a review on that later. But guys, this is Motorcycle Rides in California. I'm Clintastic, your host, here in beautiful Fallbrook, San Diego. And again, please share the word, pass this word. When you see this video and if you like it, check out my other videos. And guys, hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you have a fantastic ride, and maybe this gets you to go get something like this so you can go enjoy your ride even better. And until I see you or hear about you or whatever. Ride smart, be smart, and of course, guys, don't do drugs. Take care, guys. Bye.